Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a design like this. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing us how to design a poster A3 size. We're going to set the size of the page before our design. Sit back and enjoy these wonderful tutorials, and please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video, like and comment on it also. So let's get into Pixellab. Now this is our Pixellab. This is the default size of our Pixellab, the page. This is the default size. So I want to design a poster that is A3 size. So I'm going to set my page. Let's set the page. Go to this place, image size. Now the custom size, I'm not going to play. I'll just change the width and the height. Now for the width, I'm going to type 3508, and for the height I'm going to type 4961. Click on OK. Now this is the size. This is the A3 size of our page. Now let's start our design. Going to change the background color to black. Bring my picture. And this. I'll flip the picture. That's okay. Then this is okay. I'm going to get on that image. Is this. I'm going to flip it. That's okay. Now I have two images. Take this other one to the back. Drag. And I'll reduce this. Also have to reduce this one also. Okay. Now let me lock this so I will be able to adjust this other one. Okay. Lock it back. Let's lock this other one. What I'll do, let me delete this picture and add it back. Get this, flip it, and I reduce the size of the picture. Let's use this. Okay, no, I'll go for this. Alright, and it's okay, it's perfect. Yeah. Alright, and this is okay. Let's take it up. Alright, I think this will do. I'll get a shape. Right here. I want to blend the edges of the image. I'll reduce opacity, then increase the width of the line. Okay, then I'll change the color to black, then I'll blow the radius. This thing is okay. Now I have blended my image. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to merge the three items. Click here, highlight it and merge. Okay. Now I have been able to merge mine and drag from here a bit. Right. Now this is perfect. I'll get something. Get on from gallery. Get this green splash. See if we can rotate it. I think this is okay. Drag it a bit, bring it down. Let me rotate like this again. Okay. And let's drag it. See, drag it up a bit. I think I will change this and get another splash. I'll go for this red splash. Okay. Let me rotate it this way and drag it a bit. I think I'll use this one. Okay. I think it's perfect. Reduce it. This splash here. I think I'll copy and bring another splash here. Okay, then I'll merge both. Merge and press OK. You can drag it here also. I have what I'm looking for. I can actually set this very well. You see, I'll bring it down. Bits. Okay. Now let's change the color of the splash. See if we can make that color, make it green. Right, this is perfect. So let's see how white will go, or let's leave it green. Okay, now I think this is okay. I'll get another item, which is this logo. Reduce it a bit. It here. Now let me see if this my picture is the center. Like yes, okay, we'll continue. Okay, we'll also make this be at the middle. Okay, everything should be at the middle. Beautiful. Now the next thing to do, add text. Type my text. Peter. Sorry. Peter Obi. Okay. Drag. I'll change the font style. Change the font style. I'll use this. Okay, let me lock this shape. This is okay. I'll add shadow to the text. Shadow, enable shadow. Enable this also. And let's see if we add the red to make it beautiful, but no. Let's leave it at black. Then I will increase the radius of the shadow. Alright, beautiful. So I will just copy this. Just copy this, bring it down here, edit, down, T, Baba, Ahmed, Ahmed, capital letter K. Reduce the size. I can increase it a bit. Make sure this is at the middle of the page. So make sure this is also at the middle of the page. And I'll press OK. Let's see if we're going to move this a bit. Alright. Then I'll just put this logo here and increase the logo a bit. Say this, then I'll centralize it to the middle. Now we have our simple poster, A3 size. You can actually print this anywhere. You can just save it to your phone and print it. It will come out in A3 size. Any design that you want to print, you should actually set the paper size before your design. If you want me to create a video on how to set paper sizes before you do your design, click on the link below and comment paper sizes, and I will create a video showing you how to set paper sizes on Pixellab. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video.